Learning the hard way, overcoming overconfidence in trading with mentorship. In a busy city in India, there lived a talented man named Rahul who had always been fascinated by the world of trading. From a young age, he dreamed of making it big in the stock market, envisioning a life of financial freedom and success. Rahul had a natural talent for numbers and a keen eye for spotting trends in the market. With his analytical mind and determination, he started trading stocks online, quickly experiencing small wins and gains. His initial success fueled his confidence, and soon he began to believe that he had mastered the art of trading all by himself. As his confidence soared, Rahul started deviating and began taking bigger risks, making impulsive decisions, and ignoring the advice of experienced traders. He thought he knew better than anyone else and that he could beat the market with his instincts alone. However, his overconfidence proved to be his downfall. Without the discipline of risk management and clear mindset, Rahul soon found himself in deep trouble. He started experiencing consecutive losses, watching helplessly as his hard-earned money dwindled away. Feeling lost and defeated, Rahul realized that he needed guidance and support to turn his trading journey around. That's when he heard about Ujjwal Jaitwar, a renowned trading mentor known for his wisdom and expertise in the Indian trading community. Despite feeling hesitant and humbled by his failures, Rahul reached out to Ujjwal for help. To his surprise, Ujjwal welcomed him with open arms, understanding the struggles Rahul was facing all too well. Ujjwal had once been in Rahul's shoes himself, learning from his own mistakes and experiences in the unpredictable world of trading. Under Ujjwal's mentorship, Rahul embarked on a journey of self-discovery and growth. Ujjwal patiently guided Rahul, teaching him the importance of discipline, risk management, and sticking to a proven chartless trading method. He shared valuable insights, techniques, and real-life anecdotes that resonated deeply with Rahul, inspiring him to become a better trader. With Ujjwal's support and guidance, Rahul gradually regained his confidence and started implementing chartless trading method with a commitment of 1 year and followed religiously daily action plan provided by Ujjwal. Slowly but steadily, Rahul began to see positive results. His losses minimized, and he started making consistent profits once again. With each successful trade, Rahul grew more grateful for Ujjwal's mentorship, realizing that he wouldn't have been able to overcome his overconfidence and bounce back without Ujjwal's dedicated support. As time passed, Rahul became not just a better trader but also an inspiring example, sharing his journey and Ujjwal's year-long mentorship benefits with others who were struggling just like he once did. Together with Ujjwal, Rahul continued to inspire and empower aspiring traders, proving that with the right mentorship and determination, anyone can overcome setbacks and achieve success in the world of trading. Today, Rahul looks back on his journey with gratitude and humility. He knows that without the guidance of Ujjwal Jaitwar, he would have never been able to bounce back from his devastating setback. Through his experience, Rahul has come to understand that in the unpredictable world of trading, humility is not just a virtue, it's the key to long-term success. And for that, he will always be thankful to his mentor, Ujjwal Jaitwar, whose wisdom changed his life forever. Thank you for watching the video. If you also faced overconfidence in trading and burnt your hands, then please type yes in comment box, hit like button and subscribe the channel for more inspirational stories.